Hey friends, if the desktop background or wallpaper is not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to check the wallpaper settings. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Now check one of these themes, okay? Check any one of these themes and then go to background and make sure that this one is the background or this one is the background because you're facing the issue, so we need to isolate this the cause. So pick from one of the four backgrounds so that you are very sure that you're using a Windows background. The next solution is to update the display drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click, update driver. Right click on the second one, update driver. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and select system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.